Nature of econometrics. What is nature of econometrics? Econometrics is a branch of economics which deals with economic phenomena based on the concurrent development of theory and observation, related by appropriate methods of inference. Samuelson, Koopmans and Stone, 1954. We should notice three issues being emphasized in the above statement. First, econometrics deals with quantitative analysis of economic relationship. Second, it is based on economic theory and logic. Third, it requires appropriate methods to draw inferences. Through logic and experience, economists have attempted to establish relationship between several variables. Movements in certain economic variables are explained in terms of changes in some other variables. For example, the law of demand states that as price increases, the quantity demanded of a commodity decreases. You will find numerous examples of such relationships. Some of these are apparent while others are quite complex. As we do not know what exactly is happening, we often make conjectures based on logic and our understanding of things. Due to differences in perception, often different persons explain the same phenomenon differently. Some of the economic relationships have been proved through empirical studies and validated under several situations. Some more are put forth as hypotheses and unequivocal conclusions are yet to be drawn. In both the cases, however, logic needs to be supported by empirical observation. An advantage with the subject matter of economics, unlike many other disciplines in social sciences, is that many of the economic variables can be quantified. This has helped in empirical measurement of economic variables and validation of economic theory. We will show how econometrics is different from other breaks of economics such as mathematical economics or economic statistics. Mathematical economics usually presents economic theory in mathematical form. It does not bother about empirical measurement of economic theory. Econometrics, on the other hand, is mainly concerned with empirical verification of economic theory. In doing so, econometrics makes use of the mathematical equations suggested in mathematical economics. Economic statistics deals with collection, processing and presentation of data. Statistics provides many theories on the basis of which inferences can be drawn. For example, the probability laws and sampling distribution are quite important in hypothesis testing. The application of these laws to economic theory through empirical research is a part of econometrics. An important application of econometrics is prediction and forecasting on the basis of econometric models. By taking into account actual data, it helps estimation of the parameters of a model and on the basis of those estimates how to make predictions. Thus, econometrics is helpful in policy analysis where we can simulate different values of exogenous variables and interpret their effects on endogenous variables. Let us point out the important steps involved in undertaking an econometric study. The first and foremost issue in econometrics is the statement of hypothesis. It is drawn from economic theory or some logic built by the researcher. Second step is transformation of the above hypothesis into mathematical equations. This is our econometric model that we want to study. Third step is the collection of relevant data required for the study. Data could be from primary or secondary sources. The next step is estimation of the parameters of the econometric model. This requires selection of appropriate estimation method. As you will learn in subsequent units, there are several estimation techniques or methods available to us. Once estimates are obtained, the next task's testing of the hypothesis put forth in the first step above. Basically, it amounts to statistical significance of the estimates obtained by us. Finally, we need to interpret the results. On the basis of inferences drawn through hypothesis testing, we find out the implications of the results for the econometric model. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.